G'day guys, this is Big T. I've got a 150 Prado in the workshop today. It's the T-drop version. Today I'm going to show you guys step by step how to mount the Rockarmor BullBar. Now I've stripped the front of the vehicle already. Now make sure that you strip these little plastic parts on the side also, because this is a non-bumper cut. So our BullBar is going to match right up to the guards. Okay, so I'm going to remove these and then open up my fitting kit and get started. Alright guys, so I've stripped the whole front of the vehicle. Now inside your fitting kit you'll see two of these brackets, one for the left, one for the right, and you'll see they have a built-in recovery point. So if you ever do get stuck off-road, it's going to help you get out. So basically these 2 points, this mounting bracket here is just going to slide up onto the back of the chassis there. So I've got a fine thread into the chassis, and then I've got my little 8mm on the side, as well as I've got this plate with the 2 welded nuts. So I'm going to feed that through inside the chassis and pick up my 2 points at the back there. Okay, so I've got both sides on. Now we're ready to put the cradle on. So our cradle actually sits onto those brackets there. Okay, so it sits straight on. Now you've got your 3 factory bolts. They're going to 3 center points. And then using the bolt with the flat, then flat and lock nut, you've got 1 hole at the top, 1 mounting point at the bottom, then 2 on the bottom of the cradle. So I'm just going to go through now and mount up all my points and then tighten them up. Alright, so now I've put my cradle onto the vehicle. So all my mounting points are in place there. So I'm just going to go ahead now and center the cradle with the chassis. So just get your ruler off the chassis there and just make sure you have the same measurement on both sides. Just so when you mount your BullBar, it's going to be centered with the vehicle. So I'm centered there. Just going to go ahead now and just tighten everything up. Okay, so everything's tight, all done up, ready to go. So next step, if you're going to be mounting a winch, it'll sit right in the winch plate. So you've got 4 mounting points there. The good thing about the Rockarmor cradle is that it's a one piece. So when you are using your winch, you're winching straight off the maximum that you can get off the chassis. So basically I'm just going to put my winch into place there. I've got my 4 mounting points. Just a little tip, when you sit your winch into place, connect your earth points first. Just makes it easier, otherwise later on it's a little bit hard to get to. Okay, so now I've tightened up my winch. I've got my bar all assembled. I've put my eyebrows just finger tight onto the BullBar there, and we're ready to go. Okay, so now I've got the bar on. It just sits straight over the cradle. So I've got 3 mounting points on either side. I've left the nuts on the inside there, so when I use my drill, it's going to be a lot easier to tighten up. So next step, we're just going to adjust the BullBar. So I'm just going to get a nice gap, roughly say about a 10mm gap I want on the side there. So it's going to look like that. And then I'm just going to tighten it all up. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm just removing just this front support. Just going to make it easier to get the drill so I can tighten up my points. Just by removing that little cross section there, I'll put it back later, but it just allows me to get my drill and makes it a lot easier to work with. Okay, so what I've done, I've tightened up the bar. There's 3 points on each side. I left my eyebrows loose. So I'm going to get in there now, just tighten them up, just align them with the guard. So I've left that nice gap up along the side there. Flows all the way through and all the way down. So I've got my eyebrows in place. I'm just going to go under there now, just finish off my wiring, tidy all that up. I have a set of spotlights going in place there. Then I'll be mounting my winch cradle. Once I've tidied up my wiring at the bottom, Rockarmor bars come with a 3-piece protection plate underneath. So you have nut certs all in the bottom of the bar there, and basically the plate just sits straight up and screws into place. Bar's not all tight. What I've done, I've just tightened up all my wiring there. I've cable tied everything on the bottom. I've installed my spotties, my winch control box. So last of all, just the bash plates. So you've got nut certs already inserted in the BullBar, and we've got this lift which is going to hold our inner guard. So this goes up,